Hello my friend, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to explore this beautiful home. It is a home that is one story, so it only has one level, but at the same time it got so many details that I'm pretty sure you're going to love it. We are located in North Austin, which is Round Rock, which is another city right next to Austin that is growing a lot. It's already big, but it's growing even more. And there are so many people coming here and businesses that are already here, so people love this area because it's super green. I really love this area too. There are so many things to do here, and at the same time even the highway is like 10 minutes from here, so that is fantastic. It's a great location. So let's explore the home, and at the end of the video we are going to see in our computer all the numbers about the price, taxes, HOA, and all of those details that are important, right, when you're going to see a house. So let's explore. Okay, my friends, so let's start our tour here in front of the house, so that way you're going to see how this neighborhood is looking like. Remember, these are the model homes, so these in front of this model home it might be other homes that the builder already built, or might be some spaces that are vacant lots, so they will build more houses there. But this is the model home that we are exploring today. It's a 1-story 4 house, and at the same time, well, here in this new subdivision that we have some recreational spaces like a pool, a splash pad, or playground, green area, so that also you can enjoy with your time with your family, or maybe we have our pets, so we would like to walk with them around. So yeah, now let's start the tour here. Let's open the door and let's see how this house looks like. Wow, I don't know you guys, but here this looks so pretty, especially this accent wall in the left. I love how they decorated with this wood. I think it's fantastic, and they also paint in white. I think it's a great idea. And here we're going to see that we have some bedrooms and bathrooms, but let's get inside so that way we see how big or small they are. In this first bedroom, we're going to see that the window looks pretty big, and also, well, this bed, if it looks like a full size bed, in my opinion it might be a good a good bedroom for a queen size bed. And if we turn around here, we're going to see the closet, which I would like to point how tall they are. This looks like it's an upgrade. I have seen these upgrades in other homes, and they really look super elegant. It makes it feel taller. I don't know, it's a great thing to have in your house. And here on the right, we're going to see the full bathroom that these two bedrooms are going to share. As we can see, this bathroom has a bathtub and a window up there. It also comes with one vanity sink, and of course here down they have all the spaces for us to put or place our stuff, right? So this is the bathroom here, and now as we come into the second bedroom, we're going to see that this bedroom is kind of similar in size with the other one. But remember, if you want exactly the measurements, ask me so we can ask the builder, because the builder is the one who knows exactly how big are these bedrooms. And now as we turn around here, we're going to see how spacious it is. In my opinion, you can also place a queen size here. A queen size bed is my opinion. And now here we're going to see the other closet. It looks very similar as the other one. Also comes with the tall doors and tall ceilings. And as we come back here, let's explore what else we can find in this beautiful home. Oh my god, what do you guys think about this view? I think it's fantastic. It's an open floor plan. But before we explore there, let's see here on the left, because we forgot to check this out. Okay, so as we enter in this room, we're going to see that that door is for the garage, and I'm assuming here is where the laundry goes. And here also on the left, we're going to see the mat room, which is also here in the laundry space. And I think it's pretty good, just right in the middle of the house, so it's easier to come here and clean our clothes. And here in the middle we also see this storage space, which is fantastic, especially in Austin, because we don't have, I haven't seen basements. And now here, look at the open space, and right there is an extra room. It's a flex room, so you can use it for anything that you really want. The builder is showing us like an idea for a gym room, but at the same time you can use it for an office, maybe for a study room, for the game room, anything that you would like to use this bedroom for. And now as we continue here, we're going to see the living room. I love the sliding doors because it brings more light inside the house and it makes it feel more even bigger and cozy. And this couch, as you can see, it has more light for three spots for three people, but I think in my opinion it could be a little bit longer. And since there is some space in here, and as we continue here, wow, I love the view from this house. And now as we continue here, we're going to see the kitchen, and well, the kitchen has these white countertops, and also it comes with the black cabinets all around the kitchen. It's a good palette of colors, they are matching all of these to keep it very harmonious in all around the house, which I think is a great idea. But even the splash pad, it has the colors, so it's black, gray, and white, and I think it matches really good. It makes you feel the house is more modern, so that's a good thing to have it for your house, to keep the same palette of colors. Now let's keep exploring what else we can find in the kitchen. We're here on the left. We are going to see some appliances, like the oven and microwaves, which are a little bit more modern because you can, connect into the Wi-Fi, and away from the phone you can turn it on. We have the fridge, but remember the fridge usually doesn't come with the house, so that will be the space for it. And as we come here, we're going to see also the pantry, which it looks like a L shape, and I think it's pretty good. I mean, the house is not huge, but at the same time the pantry has a good size, especially sometimes when we buy a lot of groceries so we need to put them somewhere. And well, we have more cabinets up there, down here, and also he look at the stove. It's more like a gas stove, so some people like gas, some people like electric. We have a wide sink, and also the dishwasher right here. Well, the island doesn't look that big because, well, we got a spot for 2 stools, but it has, even though it doesn't look so big, at the same time it feels like the space has been really good distributed. Now here on the right, we're going to see where the diner room is, and I love the chandelier because it really makes some styles here. But let's see the space. This table is more like for 6 chairs. They only put 5, but it's more for 6 people, and that way you can see how big it could be, this, right? And we also see the amount of windows and glasses around here. And what you guys think about this space? Do you prefer that way, where the dinner and the living room are separated, or do you prefer everything even together, more closer? Now let's keep walking in here and let's see what else we are missing. Well, probably, yes, it is the primary bedroom. And oh my goodness, guys, like really being here, it feels like, with all of the details, it makes it feel like a luxurious home, even though it's not that luxurious. But at the same time, with all the details that you can add, like for example the accent wall, the nightstand, the lamps, all of these make it feel your house. You can elevate your house. And look at this decoration, kind of easy because they put like these wood sticks, all around here, and they paint the wall for the background, and they make this accent wall. It looks kind of easy, but well, we can try to do it, and let's see if we can get it exactly the way they get it. But I think it's pretty. And here we got the space here from the bed to the dresser, which is a good space. I mean, this bedroom is not huge, but at the same time it feels big because that bed is a king bed, so it feels even more spacious. Now here we are going to see the primary bathroom where we find this design for a shower and bathtub. Sometimes the builder has some upgrades in this area, which I'm going to put in here down below in the description of the video, so you can be aware of what other options you have for your bathroom. And let me know if you like the crystal walls for the shower. In my opinion, I love it. It makes it feel more clean. I don't know, that's my opinion. And here on the right, we're going to see the two vanity sinks with the space down there for us to put our stuff. We got the light fixtures and the big mirror. What do you think about that? Do you like the design? Do you like the space? And yeah, let me know here down below. And as we walk in here, we're going to see this door, and I'm wondering, what is this? Okay, here's where we find the water closet for the toilet, which also also has these tall ceilings. And here is the primary closet, which I thought it would be smaller, but no, it was a little bit longer than what I thought. What were your thoughts about the closet? Please let me know here down below, and remember to like and subscribe. We're coming here in this channel with different houses all around Austin, Texas, to show you all the options that there are here, so that way you have a better idea where would you like to buy home, not even to live but also to invest. There are great opportunities to invest here in Austin, Texas. And yeah, let me know here down below what you think about this floor plan. And now let's explore outside. Okay, so as we come in here, we're going to see that this space is covered. We got a ceiling fan up there, but it will depend. Sometimes the ceiling fan is an upgrade, or sometimes the house doesn't come with it, so it'll be up to you. What would you like to add there? But the space feels very cozy. Maybe a table for 4 people, 4, 6 maybe, so that way you have idea of how big it is. And remember, the view that we are seeing from this model home, it will change when you buy your home, because each house has a different lot. So depending on the lot that you decide to buy your house, well, it'll be the views that you will have in the backyard, right? And well, this feels a little bit bigger because right next to us there is another model home, so they haven't divided, so that's why it feels a little bit bigger, but it might be half of what we saw there. Now let's come back here, let's sit on the computer and let's check the numbers. Okay, my friends, now that we are here in the computer, let's see the numbers to see, or just to have an idea, of the money payment and down payment and all the stuff. Also to see property taxes and HOA and all of those fees, that are important to see before you buy your house. So in this case, I'm going to use this home price as a $459,990 because this is the starting price. Now, if you would like to add any upgrade to the house, this price will change. And also, every builder, they have some incentive per month, so maybe this is the price for right now, and maybe next month could be more or could be less. Everything will depend. So if you like this home, well, ask me, and then by the time we're going to see what is the actual price of the house. So for today, let's use this price as a down payment. In the down payment, you really can use, depending on the loan that you're going to apply. In this case, I'm going to use 4%. Sometimes it could be 3%. Sometimes it could be 3.5%. Sometimes people would like to give the 20% for the down payment. So it will vary. So I'm going to use 4% as an example. The loan term usually is 30 years. The interest rate is going to depend on the builder and at the same time how the market is, right? So sometimes what I have seen is when the interest rates are a little high, or when they are high, what I have seen is builders usually have like some incentive, and usually it's like maybe 2% less than what it is the market. So I'm going to use something like 6.5% just as an example. It could be 6, it could be depending on what the builder has in that moment as an incentive, because these interest rates incentives that they have, it will change maybe every 20 days, maybe every month, maybe every 2 months. So it will depend. So let's use this as an example. Now, if you would like to buy this house, then let me know, and then we can talk with the builder to see the actual number. And now for the property taxes, it is 2.4074, and this I found this number in the website. The builder has that in the website. For the home insurance, it really depends on the company that you're going to decide. I have seen that usually it's about 1,000, 1,400, something like that per year. So I'm going to add something like $45 per month, just in case. And the PMI is something that with your mortgage broker, you're going to figure that out. And then for the HOA for this community is $55 per month. Maybe the payments might be quarterly, but as a month is 55. For other costs, the other costs are usually from 1 to 3% of the purchase price. In this case is this one. And if we do it like that, like 1%, would be like 4,000 and almost 600. I'm going to use something like 2,000 because right now the builders are helping a lot and they're giving a lot of incentives, so that way the buyer don't have to bring a lot of money and buy a house. That's because the interests are high. When the interests are high, sellers and builders, well, that's the tendency, that they like to help the builders, so they help you with closing costs and all of that. And then if we do calculate, after having all of the information, the monthly payment might be, because remember this is an example, might be 2,781 with a down payment of 18,000. But remember, it's good always to have a good caution, like some extra money for the closing costs. So maybe 22,000 might be even safer. And remember, this is an example. Now, if you would like to see the actual numbers, we need to talk with a mortgage broker or with a builder, so that way we can figure it out. And how I did find this website is easy. I just went to Google and I typed mortgage calculator. And when you do that, there are going to be a couple of those websites. I like this one because it got this graphic, and I don't know, it's easier for me to understand. But there are more if you would like to change and use another website. But yeah, this is an example. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for visiting the channel. And if you have any question about properties here in Austin, Texas, please let me know. My phone is 720-292-9541. And my email is helentatianagibson@gmail.com. We are here in Austin, Texas, and I'm very happy to help you. And also, if you would like to know more about the investment opportunities that we have here in the Texas area, well, reach out, because we have opportunities in the fix and flip, and also opportunities in the apartment buildings, so that way you can also invest and your money can work for you. But remember, it's good for you to know that all the investments have their own risk, so we can minimize the risk with good knowledge and a lot of practice. So if not only for passive investors, but only if you would like to become an investor, learning how to do it, maybe you would like to do it by yourself, we can also help you and we can teach you. Okay, thank you guys. Have a great day. See you in the next one. Bye bye.